Hi friends, today our worksheet is our daily responsibilities task chart. In life, you will have many roles. The roles we have are like different hats that we can wear. You may have roles as a student, as a son or daughter, or as a community citizen. Each of these roles come with unique responsibilities. For example, as a student, you are responsible for completing classwork, while as a son or a daughter, you may be responsible for completing daily chores, like taking out the trash or walking the dog. And as a citizen, you are responsible for following your local and state laws. You have to know what you are responsible for before you can learn how to hold yourself accountable. So in this activity, you are going to identify different roles in your life that you are responsible for. Think about each role as maybe a different hat that you have to wear. Use the lines provided to write the responsibilities for each role. Then on this sheet, you can hold yourself accountable. Did you take out the trash on Sunday? If you did, then give yourself a star, maybe even a check mark or a smiley face. If you didn't do it on Monday, it's okay. Not all responsibilities have to be done every day. But make sure that when you look back at the end of the week, you see how did you hold yourself accountable for your daily responsibilities. I know you all can do it. I have faith. Have a great day.